Jen.
And I'm Wee Wee. That's James P. Sullivan.
Yep, and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're having a burpee contest.
Yep. Ready?
He spit on me!
I'm gonna win! There's I won! Yep, poke on my back.
Give me some of your drink. You lost if you spit all over us.
It won't come up. That was my cough.
I think Alex won.